It is starting to thunderstorm out here, and there are so many cane toads, you guys. I had to show you guys. We have so many cane toads this year. Look, there's one. They are everywhere. We had tons here. Where are the rest of them gone to? A minute ago, I had like 8 of them just right here. They must be all coming from underneath the house. Let's see if we can find some more. They were everywhere. I don't know where they're going. Normally they come out at nighttime, but oh, there's one there. 2 of them. Normally they come out at nighttime, but it started raining and thundering and they all just came out underneath the house. Feels like we have a lot more this year than normal. Not sure exactly where they're going. Here's another one. For those of you who don't know, these are not native to Australia. They were introduced here years ago, I believe from South America. And they are a pest now. And they kill a lot of the native wildlife here in Australia, and they're just everywhere now. If you live on land in Australia, you know what I mean. Look at them all. A lot of people, Australians, kill them. Drown them. Use a golf club with them. It's cruel, but they're everywhere. I get freaked out at nighttime when, oh, there's even some way over there. I get freaked out at nighttime when I'm walking around. I have to have a flashlight when I walk around at nighttime because I'm always worried I'm gonna step on a cane toad. But yeah, they don't usually come out this early of the day, but the rain and the thunderstorm must have just got them out early today in daylight. Normally they don't come out till dusk. There's a whole bunch of them going up the hill. I don't know if you'll be able to see I can see their movement. They're going for the hill.